Hey everybody, what's up? It's Nico, and in this video, I interviewed someone who made a life-size Thanos sword. So, let's get to it. Hey everyone, so I'm wearing my Thanos shirt right now, and because I'm so excited to introduce to you Chris. Chris is one of my patrons who 3D printed a full life-size Thanos sword from the movie Avengers Endgame. And man, he did a fantastic job. And basically we just go through how he did it, what he did, what printer he did it on, the filament, all that stuff. So without further ado, let's go straight to the interview. Chris, what's up, man? Dude, this is going to be a first interview video of someone who's actually made stuff for my files, man. So I'm super excited, dude. You showed me this a couple days ago, if I'm not mistaken, right after Endgame, and I lost it, dude. That Thanos sword looks unbelievable. So let's you got your Marvel shirt on, man. That's dope. We got the Venom. Hell yeah, man. All right. So where are you from, Chris?
I'm from Richmond, Virginia.
Richmond, Virginia, East Coast. All right, cool. So what printer did you use for this, bro?
I use a CR10S.
A CR10S. So did you all print it on just one machine?
Yeah, I only have one machine. I'm working on trying to get another one. So majority of my prints takes a little bit longer, especially if it has multiple parts.
Yeah.
But yeah, the CR10S.
Yeah, dude. I think everyone starts off with that one machine, and it just exponentially gets like, I need more machines.
Right.
Dude,
it's so much more that you can do. I was like, I can't just limit myself just to this one, but another one definitely coming in the future.
Hell yeah, man. So let's take a look at that Thanos sword, man. Go ahead and get up and show it off, dude. That's super exciting, man.
Well, right now, this bad boy is not fully put together, but from head to toe, I wanted to weigh it.
Look at that thing. Whew.
I wanted to weigh it to see how much. It probably in your hand probably feels about a good, at least 20, probably close to 20 pounds.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah. It definitely it's not hollow, it's 5% infill.
Mm-hmm.
My layer height I used was about
2.2, okay.
2-point layer height. The walls are at least 3. So it got a nice good little thickness to it.
All right. And so what size nozzle did you use?
I use the standard.
The standard 0.4?
Yeah, 0.4, yeah.
Cool. And how long did it take for the whole thing to make, man? From start to finish on one machine?
From start to finish? For the actual hilt part, the handle, that probably took almost a day.
A day? All right.
Yeah, a day. But for the first initial blade all together, each part took almost a day and a half to 2 days.
Okay, so what's the total time frame for the entire weapon?
So the entire frame for the entire weapon? Ooh. Man. Time-wise, don't know, but it's close to 5 days.
Okay. Yeah, that's not bad, man. That's not bad. Yeah. So, and now, what filament did you use for that?
For filament, I use Eno pad.
Okay.
Right here.
All right. And where can people get that?
I got this off Amazon.
And how much is a roll?
Yeah, the rolls. It's about $17.99 a roll.
Okay. All right.
It's very flexible as of when it goes through. So like you never have no hangups.
Okay.
No clogs. It's a very smooth.
And that's PLA, right?
Yes, PLA.
PLA. Okay, cool, man. And then where can they get the file? Obviously, they're gonna be like, where do we get this thing?
well, the one and only. I got off his Patreon page, but but the thing was, it was an exclusive file.
Right, it is.
So now I was getting hit up. A lot of people was asking me, is he still giving it out? I was like, I'm not sure, but since we're live, maybe, probably so, but
You know what? Because we're doing this interview, man, and this is going to be on YouTube, I will keep it on for as a bonus for anyone who signs up for Patreon. How about that? So they can thank you directly for that, man.
Yeah, exactly. So hopefully y'all get this print. Go ahead and sign up, man.
Dude, you did a phenomenal job on that, man. And how tall are you, Chris?
I'm about 5'11".
Dude, and that thing's taller than you.
Yeah.
Yo, that thing's over 6 feet tall.
Yeah, it's close.
Holy cow.
Yeah, it's close to 7.
Dang.
Yeah, but the funny thing about it is, like, most time when you start printing parts,
Uh-huh.
you always have to adjust it.
Yeah. And you printed that to scale, right? Like you didn't have to make it smaller or anything. Because the way I set up the file is I made it huge. Like I scaled it. And it looks like it's scaled like damn near perfectly because that thing is huge.
Yeah, it was like, and plus I was thinking, I was like, maybe I want to scale it down just to cut down the time, but I was like, you know what? Let's go ahead and go all out.
Hell yeah, man. Absolutely.
Yeah.
So now you're going to have to shave that beard, man, and then put like fucking lines right there, dude.
You know what? Somebody else had told me to do that. I was like, no, I'll have to be the Thanos with the beard.
Hey,
The old version.
there you go. The farmer Thanos, right?
Exactly.
Nice, man. Hey, can you wield it for me? Can you just get up and like hold it up? Because that looks, I still can't believe how dope that looks, man. Oh shit, it is closer to 7 feet tall. Dear Christ, that's up to the ceiling.
Yeah, I guess it's
Oh my God. Dude.
Yeah, but it's definitely worth it, man.
Yes, that is such a satisfying print, brother.
Yeah.
Such a satisfying print.
Yeah, to be able to bring something to life, man, it's a wonderful thing, man.
Hey, man, so do you have like an Instagram or anything that people can follow you on like social media or anything?
Yes, Instagram is CDub804.
Mm-hmm.
I don't have a YouTube page yet, but it's coming. It's coming.
Hell yeah, man. If you can produce things like that, why not, dude?
Exactly. It's like I have quite a few things, but a lot of my stuff is in storage right now.
Mm-hmm.
But I was like, it's no fun to keep it enclosed. I make it for a reason because I enjoy the things that I do. I enjoy doing 3D prints. I was like, okay, let me go ahead and start showing this stuff off.
Heck yeah, dude. You did a fantastic job, man. I mean, I'm in awe of this thing. That thing looks fantastic. You did a great job, man.
No, I thank you for having the file available for me to be able to print it.
And I'll tell you everything, the same thing. I'm just a dude in the garage playing dress up with my kids, dude.
Hey, ain't nothing wrong with that. You gotta have your fun.
All right, hey, Chris, anything else to say to our viewers, buddy?
I appreciate the love and support from everybody that's liking the picture, that's liking the sword. I appreciate Nico for giving me the opportunity to be able to print it. And hey, more to come.
All right, guys. Hey, Chris, thanks again, man. I appreciate you, buddy. Until next time.
And that's it for the interview, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up down below. And make sure you guys subscribe. And if you're one of my patrons, or if you've done any of my files, please feel free to contact me, and we'll do one of these too. I want to hear what you guys are doing, what you guys have done, what you guys have made, how you did it, and we'll feature you guys in an interview. All right? Thank you all so much. Again, all the links that you guys need are in the description down below, including Chris's Instagram. Follow him. Follow him. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you all so much for your support, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace. Yeah. I love this thing. Did you guys go see Endgame yet? Go see it. Go. Come on, come on.